rain. Ow, that's hurting my arms. Ow! Oh, ow! 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 Bloody hell! Oh, my arms! Oh, it's like really little stingy needles. I vote we go back to the test centre and we start this again, but different route. Right, welcome to Bike Ralph Squirrel. You may have noticed Mr. Squirrel is in front. He doesn't have a microphone on today, although I can hear him from the helmet doobly-whatsits. Unfortunately, his microphone mount fell off while we were getting ourselves organised, so he hasn't got his mic on. But you've got my lovely voice instead. Right, so today I'm doing a little bit of Mod 2 practice because I want to, and I want to become a bit more familiar with some of the routes that they take. So we've just left the test centre and I need to get my head into the idea of getting the checks right and lifesavers and all the rest of it. Busy little junction, Saturday, fairly busy day. I think I'm going to have to tell the examiner that I don't know my left from my right before we start, because I know if you go the wrong way it's not a problem, you just have to do it safely. But I do want them to be aware that that is an issue I have. Can't be the first person they've taken on a test who've got that. I'm going to slow down. So yeah, so we're riding a few of the test routes today. So we've got a little bit of town centre we're going to be doing. There's obviously numerous routes they will take. They don't do the same one all the time, and but I know Kettering fairly well, and I ride into Kettering every day for work pretty much at the moment on my bike. So I am happy riding around town. I do know what where the junctions are, you know, where the lights are and flow of traffic and the lanes, so I'm fairly confident with that. It's just I really need to get my head round getting the lifesavers right and getting the indicating right. Which way are we going? Left. Forgot my lifesavers there. I don't really want to do it in a town I don't know, to be honest. So I'm practicing in and around Kettering because I want to do my Mod 2 here, because I don't really want to be trying to do my Mod 2 in a town that I don't know. Because at least here I've got the advantage of riding these roads all the time, whereas if I went somewhere else it would be completely new and I wouldn't know the roads and the layouts and the speeds and everything else, and it would make me an awful lot more nervous, I think. Right, this is a big old box junction. Which way are we going to go? Are we going to turn? Yeah, we're going to go right. Sorry, can't hear Chris, can you? Right, lights turned. Lifesaver. Oh no, you're not moving forward. Best not do that on my test. Unless you can turn. Yeah, I didn't enter it. Sorry, I'm not talking an awful lot, am I? It's quite tricky trying to remember it all and talk at the same time. So Another roundabout coming up in a minute. I need practice on roundabouts, I think. It's getting the lifesavers and the indicating right for it. I think I need to watch some more videos of other people doing it to make sure I'm doing it right, because I'm not convinced I am every time. The lifesavers confuse the hell out of me about which way to look, because I thought I had it sussed, and now I've watched a few videos and they've said different things, so I'm kind of now confused by the whole blimmin' process. I don't think you can do too many. That's one of the worries, isn't it? Right, I'm trying to remember which way they went from here. They went right to the next roundabout, didn't they? And then they turned left. Did they then go through some of the little back roads? I can't remember. There was one of the back streets they went down, wasn't there? And I'm a one-way one. No, but it's worth going on just to be aware. And he said, don't indicate too quickly here, because they'll think you're pulling in when you're not. Now, which side road was it? Is it this one here? No, that's your 2 rows. Ah, too late. Go around the block. It's alright, I don't think I've come at this road at this angle before. Oh, got an itch. Got an itch. Oh. This is all one way, isn't it? Are we going? Yeah, thought so. Idiot. Yeah. He's going to end up squashed doing that. Didn't have any gloves on. God knows what else he didn't have on. No. Now, from what I've read, you can get up to 10 minors on your test. Not that you want to, but obviously that's one of the things to be aware of. Another box junction. Yeah, I just didn't want to stop in the wrong place, that was all. Cool, that nearly blew me over, that gust. I thought you were going then. Are we going straight on here? Okay. Okay, this is another little bit they do, isn't it? With this funny little one-way bit in front of you. We don't want to go to the train station. S-bendy bit, wasn't it? I don't know where they went from here. I don't remember seeing the end of the video clip, do you? If we go left and go that... Okay. Oh, I'm feeling a bit more like I'm doing me checking and things now. I'm not sure why that is, just yeah, could have been a spot to pull me in between cars back there. Chris is just saying, I forget you can't hear him today. A little bit annoying, never mind. Go on. Pothole, did you say? Right. Busy today, isn't it? Right, he's turning, so I'm going to do my lifesavers and come out. I'm coming out. Oh my God, it does. That's going to hurt. If you were watching earlier, you'd realise the rain was actually hurting me earlier. Now, I do this bit all the time. This is a funny little junction here. You have to be a little bit careful of stuff turning in front of you. Like, he's coming across now. Oh, I'm gripping the handlebars tight again. I can feel it. Yes, I know, I can see it in the sky. We're going to get wet. What are you thinking? Under the bridge? Okay. Back down round the A14 and down to the test centre? Is that where we're going? Yeah. Okay. This road's really horrible. I know there are. It's awful, this bit of road. Oh no, I wasn't going to. I do sometimes lift my bottom off the seat if I know it's going to be really bumpy, but I don't, perhaps not for my test, eh? Yeah, I don't really want to be caught in a downpour if we can help it. Why don't we just grab something at Tesco's? Perhaps should have been a bit closer to the white line there. No, I'm pretty sure they won't. They've done me U-turns. I've done 3 U-turns today. Well, I don't feel like I've got to learn them now, so I'm quite happy to do them. There's logic there somewhere. But I also think I'm going to have to keep doing them just because I don't want to be in a position where I can't do it. Well, it's been useful coming out, even if, you know, it's not a terribly exciting thing to do on a bike. But, well, I'm coming to the end of my ride today. Well, we've got to get home yet, but we're going to just nip into town. So I shall say goodbye, folks. Oh, let's do this roundabout. And right, yeah, so we'll say goodbye, folks. Well, catch up next time. Like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Give me your comments, and we'll see you all next time. And maybe I'll let you in on whether I passed stuff.